Simple ingredients, gentle flavors, but so much comfort in every bite. That's what Goan Vonn is all about. This takes me straight back to childhood. Hi my dear friends, welcome back to my channel Noella Creations. I washed 3.5 tablespoons of chana dal with plain water 3 times and then soaked overnight with plain water. In the morning I rinsed it with plain water 3 times and then drained the water. Now let's transfer this chana dal into a vessel. Now I'm adding 15 cashew nuts. Add water until the level of the water reaches just above the chana dal or add water as required and stir. Let it cook on medium flame. Next, in a mixer jar, add 1 and 1/4 cup of grated coconut. Add water as required, cover with the lid and grind. First extract the thick coconut milk and then extract the thin coconut milk. This is the thick coconut milk and this is the thin coconut milk. In a bowl, add slightly less than half cup of rice flour. Add 1 cup of water gradually while mixing continuously. There should not be any lumps formed. The chana dal is cooked well. Now drain the water. Now I am placing a kadai on medium flame. I am adding the chana dal and cashew nuts to it. Next I am adding chopped palm jaggery 54 grams and chopped sugarcane jaggery 71 grams. You can add jaggery as per your taste. Mix it well. Now add the thin coconut milk. Mix well. Add half teaspoon of salt or as per your taste and mix well. Add the thick coconut milk. Mix well. Add water as required. Keep stirring continuously. Once it starts boiling, turn the flame to low, stir the rice flour mixture and add it to the kadai while stirring continuously. Turn the flame to medium. Add half tablespoon of cardamom powder and mix well. Once it starts boiling and it thickens, you can switch off the flame. If you find it very thick, add water as required and keep stirring continuously. Once it starts boiling, you can switch off the flame. Our Goan Vonn is ready, warm and comforting, just the way it's made at home. This dessert is usually prepared for special occasions. By the way, if you like this video, do give it a like, share it with your family and friends, and subscribe for more recipes. Thank you for being here. See you soon in my next video. Until then, happy cooking. Sending you calmness and good wishes always.